Good morning, Kylie students. So this video, hopefully it'll record the whole time, is to show you how to get into the Phoenicia assignment. So you're going to start with your general channel, go up to the assignment tab, and wait for it to load. And there it is, Phoenicia, the folder. When you open it, you will see two documents. You only have to do one of the two assignments. It's a choice assignment. So you can do the reading, making sure that you can edit into the document. You'll see there are about 6 paragraphs to the reading, and then a series of multiple choice questions, as well as 3 words that you have to define. Use Google Define and just type it right below, right here. And then put your definition that you find there. When you're choosing your multiple choice answer, you're just going to simply highlight your choice and click on highlight. When you're all done, you're going to just close it and turn it in. If you're doing trade, you're going to open in Word Online. It's a little easier to work with when it's online because there's 3 different pages. The first page is a map just to kind of give you a reference as to how far and where Phoenicians traveled. Just waiting for it to load. Slow computer today. And there it is. So once it's all loaded, make sure that you can edit. And then you're going to see a chart. You have cities that Phoenicians stopped in to trade, and this is what those cities traded. So you have the city and the resources. When you scroll down, you'll see 7 different lists of items that you have to go retrieve for trade. So the idea is to take the least amount of stops as possible. We discussed yesterday in class, you don't want to go to 7 different stores. You really just want to go to 2 and get your errands done. So olive oil, tin, timber, and wine is our example. So we're going to go up and find who has olive oil, tin, timber, and wine. So I see Sicily has olive oil. And I'm up there's tin in Spain. Crete has timber, wine, and olive oil. So I need tin, timber, olive oil, and wine. I'm thinking that these are my 2 stops. Let me see if there's anything else. Nope. So it looks like this is my stop, Crete and Spain, because they give us all 4 items, the olive oil, the tin, the timber, and the wine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, and underneath 1, I am going to put Spain and Crete. So then you move on to your next list and you repeat the process, trying to get as few stops as possible. You don't want to go one place for one thing and keep moving around the Mediterranean. You might have to, but if you can find a shorter option, then that's what you're going to choose. When you're all done, you just close it and turn it in. Okay, and to turn in, you would just go back and open in Teams, close, and then over here you'll have a turn in key. Okay? All right, good luck. Email me if you have questions. Bye.